In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Apple Pay on Ticketmaster. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, when you go over to purchase any tickets inside of Ticketmaster, you can check to see if Apple Pay is available as a payment method. If it is, just process your purchase through Apple Pay and you can choose from any registered card that you have to your Apple Wallet. After you are done purchasing your tickets, they will be available under your profile and you will have the option to add them to an Apple Wallet. This way, you can integrate them with Apple Pay, and it's what I'm going to teach you how to do in this video. So all that you have to do to use Apple Pay on Ticketmaster after you purchase your tickets however you like with any payment method available inside of the app is to go over to the My Events tab, and in there you will see all the Ticketmaster events that you want tickets for. You can select a specific event, and on the middle of the screen you are going to see the code that needs to be scanned for you to be granted access into the event. You can see all other information like the row, the seat, and at the bottom you should be able to find the Add to Apple Wallet button. Immediately upon selecting that option, you will be redirected to your Apple Wallet with all the details about the ticket or the event filled out. So you can use your Apple Wallet to manage this upcoming event. They make this process very convenient because that's all you have to do. As soon as you tap on the Add to Apple Wallet button, all the details about the ticket will be filled out and you can manage it inside of your Apple Wallet if you wish. You also have the option to use another digital wallet, for example Google Pay. So if you aren't on an iOS device, that is going to substitute Apple Wallet, but for the most part, this is all you have to do if you wish to use Ticketmaster on Apple Pay. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Pay on Ticketmaster. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.